Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get all the pets and seeds from the Ghoul event part 2 in Grow a Garden. So to get all the seeds and pets, you do need a lot of candy corn. As you can see here, there are new seeds. So there's, I think the new seeds are, actually don't remember. Chicken feed I think is new, and the blood orange is new. And I think the candy corn flowers new. I forgot, but you do need again a lot of candy corn for this. Like the Dark Sprigan is new, the goat is new, the pets and the spooky egg is still the same, so you can still get the chance of getting the Headless Horsemen. And also the Weeping Branch is new. It is a little bit harder to get it. You just need to complete these tasks again and again. Basically, those are all the new seeds and pets in the Ghoul part 2 event in Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!